Hi guys, in this video we will see how to stop birthday reminders on your Facebook. If you want to stop notification regarding birthday, you can easily stop it. Click on your profile icon from the top right corner and here choose settings and privacy. Again tap on settings. Thereafter from the left side of settings page scroll down and click on notification. Scroll down and click on notifications. Thereafter go to right side and here what notifications you receive. Scroll down and click on birthdays. Click on it and here you will be asked, these are notifications about your friends' birthdays. Allow notifications on Facebook. Turn the toggle button off. Where you receive this notification, turn off all these notification, push, email and SMS. If you want to receive through email, then turn the toggle button on, otherwise receive, otherwise turn off the toggle button. You can easily stop birthday reminders about your friends on your Facebook page. Thereafter go to reminders and simply these are the notifications to remind you of updates you may have missed. Allow notifications on Facebook. Turn off also this message. So you can easily